Hello everyone, this is Priya and today we are going to see order of physical and logical query processing phases. First, there are two phases. First one is a physical query processing order and second one is a logical query processing order. I would like to tell you that in a physical query processing means the way in which we write the query on the SQL Server tool. And the logical query processing means the way in which query executes internally. On, the, on this basis, we will see which clauses comes first and which comes later. So, first we will see the physical query processing order. In physical query processing, first clause comes is select, second one is from, third one is on, fourth one is where, fifth one clause is group by. Then sixth one is having. After that, last one is order by clause. In this way, we are executing the query. For example, we will write one query including most of these clauses. I have one employee table in my database. So for executing this query, I will use this select all from employee. Okay. First, we will see the result of employee table so that we can write next to it. Here we have the tables. There is one another table, department, select star from department. Now we will see the result from both the tables. Now I will write the query using most of all the clauses. Select emp name, comma, dep name, from employee, comma, department, where we have to give here aliases so it will become easy to write next query as d, where d dot dpid is equal to e dot dpi. Instead of this, we will use here inner join department on DPID we can see here. Firstly, we write select, then from, then on. In this way, we can write many queries in the sequence select, from, on, where, group by, having, order by. Okay, now we will see the sequence for the logical query processing. The sequence for the logical query processing is first from clause, next on clause, after that it will execute the where clause. After that the execution will consider the group by clause. Then having clause. After that select clause. And at the end it will execute the order by clause. In this way, logical query processes, that means executes. It will firstly see the from, because in our database there are many tables. From that tables we have to choose the tables which we want. After selecting the tables, it will see in the query there is any join is present or not. If is there any join is present, then it will see another table which we want. After that he filter the rows using the where clause. By filtering it will get the required rows. After that he filter the group by statements for the grouping of required data. Once grouping is done, after that he will choose the data using having clause. For the having clause, group by clause is required or group by clause is must in case of having clause. After having clause, it will select the required data whichever mentioned in a query, and after that it will order the data in ascending order or in a descending order as per the written in a query. Okay, this is the logical query processing order. Now I will write the query for the logical query presentation. Select EMP name comma DEP name from employee as E. We are giving alias here. Inner join department as a D on E dot DEP ID is equal to D dot DEP ID. Okay, in this case, as we see, firstly it will see the from clause. Here from clause it will get the table employee, and after that he see there is any join is present or not. He will get one join with department table, so that he chooses two tables from the database, employee table and department table. After that it will see the condition on which columns joint is given. It will see the two columns from the two tables and execute the query on on clause. After that, further queries as per the statement mentioned in a query, it will execute. This is a way for the logical query execution. In both the cases, in logical also and in a physical query processing also, the order by is at the last, because after fetching data whichever we required, it will order for the data for in which manner we want data, in ascending or descending. This is to reduce the complexity in the query. That's why order by is at the last. Thank you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel.